Hello amazing traders and welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and my name is SeunForex, and in this short video I just want to prove to you that price action works. Running analysis on higher time frame and finding a confluence in lower time frame works, but we all know a profitable trader knows that it takes a lot of market psychology in order to find confluence in the market space. For example, right now this morning, Sunday night, market open around 11 a.m. Market open around 11 p.m. and as I'm speaking right now, this is 12:11 a.m. Monday morning. And why am I showing you guys this? You see, as a trader, you do not need to be a genius to be a profitable trader, but your psychology must be on point. One of the entry that make this analysis more effective was that, first of all, from chart patterns perspective, this is symmetric triangle. From here to here, let me plot another kilo so you can see. From here, though it's not perfect, this is symmetric triangle. Here, that's number one. Number two, so which means that chart pattern trader, they are looking for buy. Then the second set of people are Fibonacci trader. Fibonacci trader also, when market came to this key level on Thursday, market came back here on Friday evening, and which means that this market started buying. When this market started buying again, there was a pull up here. This is 50% right now. So which means that this 50%, this is the confluence market is reacting now. So as long as market is not able to break this trend line, it means that this market has the massive potential of buying at least how many set of pips? Let me check. This is 51 pips. But before you feel like this 51 pip is small, let me go to lower time frame so you can see the massive confluence of the market. Now in our time frame now, this means that this market is actually planning to buy this coming week. And if you look to your left in 4-hour time, so which means that this market has potential of coming at least to somewhere around here. And this is daily time frame now. This is daily time frame. So in daily time frame now, even from the symmetric triangle in daily time frame perspective, this market is actually planning to, and which means that there's high probability that this market will reach this key level. And how many people is this? This 580 pips, if market move very well within 3 days, let's say a week, this 500 pips will be what? As a trader, you do not need to be a genius, but you must be extremely patient. And that's why I usually tell the trader, if you miss a trade, don't revenge trade. Revenge trading is not good. Nothing great about revenge trading. Nothing great about over leverage. So as long as market break out of stuff, this counter trend line, break out of this resistance that will be turning to, once it turns to support, that is all we need. And you can now sit down and be patient and market will be moving. Even if, let's say, 500 is even too much for you, you can catch average of 300, 200 pips. That will still speak a lot of volumes. This is the kind of trade that once you catch one entry and you're able to eat profit of 200, 300 pips, you are good to go for that week. You don't need to trade again. So the number of trades you are taking do not mean the number of profitability you become. It's all about precision, waiting for right setup, and enter without stress, in which psychologically it was emotionally stable. 1 hour 10 minutes Tokyo market will open. That is why you cannot afford to find right setup. A trader that enter market here and your stop loss is somewhere around here, you have a chance of making more money than a trader that will be entering the market, because you know that once you enter here, your stop loss is below this counter trend line. Even if it is 50 pips you're able to catch, it's still something. And as you're catching this consistently over a long period of time, you get the results you are looking. That is what I have for you guys on GBPJPY. So my bias for GBPJPY this week is full market sell side liquidity, in which average of 3 to 500 pips we actually load for this coming week. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button. And one more thing, trading is hard. If anybody is saying that trading is not hard, is a lie. What is time now? This is 12:18 a.m. when people are sleeping. Market has already picked up and it's already causing impact. So don't sleep on it. Run your analysis and let me know what you think about it because of this market. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.